Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for May. And the first thing in my Ipsy bag is this Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Bathers palette. I'm really excited to get this because it was, I picked it up at a discount. This is a special edition for Ipsy. And so the regular edition is kind of long instead of square like this. Anyway, here it is. Comes in I was really excited, so I opened it right away. But it comes in this box, and it does have the plastic protector, and it comes with highlighter and bronzers. And I love Nomad Cosmetics. I love their formula. It's very smooth. It's really pretty. Don't mind, I was playing with eyeliners. But anyway, very excited to have that. Also in my Ipsy bag is the newest bag. And inside this, we've got, ooh, don't mind my kitties fighting. We've got this thing here. Tells you about some add-ons and things. And then the first thing is Ciate Fierce Flicks, and that is, I believe this is an eyeliner. So we've got this, and then we have Marc Anthony Leave-In Conditioner. That's nice. I'm always looking for stuff for my hair because it is a little frizzy right now. As you can see, I have real curly frizzy hair. That's how it goes. So there's that stuff. I like that. Then we've got something in here in this bubble wrap. Is Space Case Cosmetics. That's cute box. Take a look at that. And this is eyeshadow. What's it gonna look like? Intense Stargasm is what it's called. Ooh, oh my goodness. That is what it looks like. That is really cool. It looks kind of silvery, but it's a kind of purple, gray, something. Pinky, purpley, gray. See, there it is. That's actually a good representation of the color. That's pretty. That is really pretty, and this could be a really pretty lid color, I think. I could have worn it today with my look. The next thing is, ooh, Roller Lash from Benefit. So I found out that Benefit is not a cruelty-free brand, so I'm probably not going to purchase any more from them, but it's cool to have a sample of this. I really like their mascara. So anyway, and then the very last little thing is Jelly Glaze Lip Mask from Tarte. It's a really teeny one, but yeah, a little sample one. But anyway, that's really cool. That is everything in the Ipsy bag today. And do you get Ipsy? Do you love Ipsy? Did you get other things? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.